MTD CNC, bringing you the latest engineering news via video media.
Nick, I'm sat in front of what looks like a piece of stainless steel. I can see we've got some trochoidal milling going on. What other strategies have you adopted?
Well, here at our technical centre here in Leeds, we've got many demos which we perform, various materials, steel, stainless steel, titanium, whatever it happens. Customers can even bring their material, and we can machine their part here as well. This particular part, we are running a trochoidal strategy with an entry from the side of the part. So typically on this part, the strategy we employ really depends on the shape of the component. This particular one we need to enter from the side, so the trochoidal strategy will be to bring the tool in from the side. Once it's profiled, then we will machine out the pocket. If this was closed off, for example, so that was a closed pocket, we'd start in the middle and then basically spiral out and then generate the corner radiuses. So really the strategy we employ, Joe, depends on the complexity or the shape of the part.
And are you going straight to depth, or are you going down in steps?
On this particular operation with stainless steel, it is a little bit more difficult. We could take that out in one depth, but on this occasion, this particular demo, we're going down in two depths. So 1 times the diameter of the tool, in this case 12 millimeters, and with a 20% step over, which is fairly efficient machining. With stainless steel, it can be a little bit temperamental sometimes. So we generally 1D, 1.5D, 20%. That's typically where we're machining, but we can go deeper, and we do have demos where we do go deeper.
What's the cutting data on this test piece?
Currently on this piece, we're running this around about a cutting speed of 130 metres a minute, which is 3,445. Feed rate, 2.3 metre feed, 12 millimetres deep, as I say, and then 20% step over. This gives us a metal removal rate of around about 70 cubic centimetres a minute. We have machined higher metal removal rates, but this particular demo we did for you today is a typical demo we do. I think we have a lot of customers that come here and who do machine stainless, but they don't machine it like this, so we kind of keep it a little bit more sensible before we go really crazy on it. But we can go a lot deeper and faster in stainless, but on this occasion that's the strategy we're running here.
Okay. And what's the tool we're using, the most important question of all?
Well, this actually is our flute tool. It's very versatile. I'll say we do several demos here. This particular tool, we use this on steel, stainless steel, titanium, tool steel, very versatile tool. At MA4 we've always developed tools which are very flexible. Like for example, this tool will machine various materials. All we change is the cutting data. So it makes our customers much less choice. One tool will do everything. We just change the cutting data, and we've been very successful with that strategy.
So it does a whole host of material groups. How about operations? Does it ramp? Can you interpolate? Can you profile?
Generally, the 5 flute tools are generally used for high-speed profiling. The tool will slot, it will ramp, but it really depends on the part, what kind of strategy we employ. If we need to use a 4 flute tool, or maybe go to one of our 7 flute tools, it will really depend on what the customer's looking for. If he's looking for a particular cycle time reduction, then the strategy we adopt will be reflected in the tools we select.
And is X-Stock MA4 in the UK?
Absolutely, yeah. Everything. These tools and all the other tools we've seen today, they're all X-Stock, yeah, all in stock.
Thanks for your time, Nick.
Thank you, my pleasure.